Hello students, welcome to chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about 12th standard chemistry lesson carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. Topic addition of ammonia to aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. In the last video discussed addition of ammonia derivatives to aldehydes and ketones. Today class we are going to discuss about a reaction with the ammonia. Reaction with the ammonia. First we discuss addition of ammonia to aldehydes. Generally aliphatic aldehydes except formaldehyde react with an ethereal solution of ammonia to form aldehydes. Okay, imine means NH group வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கார்பன் கூட ஆட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகே, amine means NH2 group வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கார்பன் கூட ஆட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகே, ரைட். To form aldehydes, reaction for this reaction acetaldehyde treated with ammonia to form acetaldehyde ammonia. This in this reaction oxygen is carbonyl oxygen is more electronegative, attract the hydrogen from ammonia, and the ammonia is act as a nucleophile, attack carbonyl carbon. Okay, so to form acetaldehyde ammonia, right? Then the acetaldehyde ammonia is decomposed into gives imine. Okay, so this NH2 group, one hydrogen is shifted to oxygen. Okay, so this nitrogen hydrogen bond shifted to carbon and nitrogen to form carbon nitrogen double bond. Okay, so CH3 single bond CH double bond NH. Okay, imines are formed. Name of the compound aldimine. Okay, so imine means NH group வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கார்பன் கூட அட்டாச் இருக்கும். Okay, aldimine. Then next another one reaction, important reaction, very important. Two more question. Formaldehyde react with ammonia to form hexamethylene tetramine. Okay, so which is also known as erotropine. Important two more question, erotropine. So name of erotropine hexamethylene tetramine. CH2 6N4. Okay, erotropine. Preparative methods of erotropine: formaldehyde 6 moles of formaldehyde, 6 moles of formaldehyde HCHO treated with ammonia, 4 moles of ammonia to form erotropine. Okay, hexamethylene tetramine CH2 6N4, hexamethylene tetramine with removal of 6 moles of water molecules. Structure of erotropine or hexamethylene tetramine is shown in display. Okay, similar to benzene ring. Okay, center position one nitrogen group element present, then the ring alternatively nitrogen and CH2 group is present. Okay, this structure also very important. Okay, erotropine structure. Formula, molecular formula of erotropine CH2 6N4. Okay, hexamethylene tetramine. Uses of erotropine: erotropine is used as a medicine to treat urinary infection. Then next one important uses: nitration of erotropine under controlled condition gives an expulsive. ஸோ வெடிமருந்தாக மாறுது. நைட்ரேஷன் பண்ணும்போது erotropine நைட்ரேஷன் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வெடிமருந்தாக கன்வெர்ட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, இஸ் அன் எக்ஸ்பால்சிவ். RDX means research and development expulsive. Right, and it is also called cyclonite or cyclotrimethylene tetramine, cyclotrimethylene tetramine. Okay, right. So another one important name of erotropine is the cyclonite or cyclotrimethylene tetramine. Then next one important reaction, second one reaction, addition of ammonia to ketones. Acetone react with ammonia to form diacetone amine. Diacetone amine. So acetone, another name dimethyl ketone, another one name propanone. Okay, propanone is the IUPAC name. Acetone react with ammonia to form diacetone amine. Equation for this reaction. So acetone react with the ammonia. 2 moles of acetone is taken for this reaction. 2 moles of acetone treated with 1 mole of ammonia. So under heating condition to form amine. Okay, to form amine, diacetone amine. Okay, diacetone means 2 acetone group வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா present ஆயிருக்கும், அதனால diacetone amine. Okay, so this one acetone group coming from acetone, then next this one acetone group. Okay, diacetone amine. So NH2 group is the amine group. Okay, diacetone amine. Diacetone amines are formed. Thank you students. See you next class.